Welcome to Birds, Bakes, Bits and Bobs, and in today's video we're going to be unboxing different ladders and perches that you can assemble onto your cage to turn into a bird playground. This is great so far because there's such a variety of different ladders and perches that you can organise in different ways to keep your birds engaged. Some of these poles have holes because you can attach other perches to it to customise your playground even more using the glue that they've provided. Am I happy with what I see so far? Yes, I am. Now it's time to get some of these perches and ladders on the top of the cage and assemble away. Time to get Kiwi and Zazu to check out their new playground. Let's see what they think. I love the fact that you can use your creative juices to arrange the equipment in all different ways to keep your birds entertained. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a like, and if you want to see more videos like this, give the channel a subscribe. Thank you.